Naghahanap ka ba ng abot kaya at affordable na house and lot? Dito lang yan, sa Danville Subdivision, located at Barangay Santa Rosa, Concepcion, Tarlac. Sa 4,000 pesos na reservation fee, may bahay at lupa ka na. We are now looking at the Ivy Model, which is a 2-story row house. Tara, check natin. So we have at least 2.5 to 3 meters na front yard. Pwede itong gawing parking o kaya naman pocket garden o kung ano man gusto nating gawin sa harapan ng ating bahay. Let's go! So this is our main door. At ito, no, napakalapad ng ating pintuan. And this is our ground floor. So probably nandito ang ating living area. No? So we have, siguro pwede dito yung ating dining area. We have kitchen. So meron na tayo naka-install na kitchen sink and faucet. Nakaabang na yan. And we have here our service area. Pwedeng ilipat yung kusina o kaya naman laundry o kung ano mang gusto niyo pang gawin dito sa labas. Alright? And on this side, nandito naman ang ating toilet and bath. So we have, meron na tayong 1 tiles na 1 layer, no? So we also have, of course, our water closet. We have our lavatory with faucet. We have our shower fixture. So yes po, may shower na po tayo dito sa ating toilet and bath, no? So syempre, meron tayo diyang faucet din para sa tubig. And we have a ventilation here para sa natural lighting o kaya naman sa hangin. Alright? So akit tayo sa ating second floor. So we have still, meron tayo ditong concrete na stairs na naka-frame sa bakal. No? So lalagyan na lang natin ng handrails to, depende sa option ni buyer. And welcome to our second floor. This is our second floor. Nakikita niyo naman, we have installed mga ilaw na, no, sakit at nakaabang na yan. And of course, we have, no, good news, meron po tayo, kahit row house pa lang ito, meron na tayong kisame dito sa portion na to. Wala na tayong partition, no, kasi we allow our buyers kung gaano kalaki gusto niyang gawing kwarto. So this is a provision for 2 bedrooms. Later on, kapag gusto niyang palakihin pa, pwedeng maging 3 bedrooms, no, gawing balcony, yung harap o kaya another room, no? So we have jalousie glasses, kaya nakikita niyo po at mararamdaman niyo na talaga namang napaka-presko, napakahangin. And of course, no, considering yung ating high ceiling mula doon sa ground floor at doon sa second floor. Once again, this is our Danville Subdivision dito sa Concepcion, Tarlac. So if you are looking for affordable house and lot, dito lang yan, pwede ka. I-am Marlon of Powell Homes Realty. Tara, we will bring you home.